Jimmy. Jimmy, are you there? Wake up, Jimmy.
Am I on Mars?
Wait! Jimmy, did we take brekkies or did we drink? Or did we do both?
No, but I got my balls sucked by
Bro,
a guy.
I think I got a vagina and someone put a rubber in it.
What the hell?
Yo,
Well, okay.
we should play some music, man.
Bro, did you see that?
That's my leg.
Oh. Oh.
He's high.
Oh, that's your leg?
Really? You the ox. You just wanted to play some music.
What's the ox? Bro, we didn't give you the ox. How did you do that?
Seem like the life I feel. Seem like the life I feel is a little distant, yeah. Seems like the life I need. Seems like the life I need.
Bro, Jimmy, wake up. We need a banger to wake up, bro. I'm super sleepy.
Bro, I'm tipping off the perk, no cat, bro.
Bro, we need a banger to wake us up. Like,
Okay.
Here, take the ox.
Remember last time you played such a good song?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we need a banger to wake us up, bro.
I got one.
Yeah, yeah.
If your metro don't
Trust you, I'm gonna shoot you.
Yeah.
Halloween,
Taliban.
I'm gonna shoot you.
Yeah.
Tell me, you boys up the zone. Yo, is that Mikey?
Oh,
Yo, what's
Mikey.
good? Yo, Mikey, what's good? How's the holidays been, bro?
Literally, shut the fuck up right now. Like, I'm not in the mood. My girl just left me.
Oh, bro, I'm sorry.
Bro, shut up. Give me the ox, man. Give me the ox. Bro!
Man, I'm sorry about Sally, bro.
Bro, why are you laughing? Like, this is not laughing, man.
I'm sorry.
Shut up, bro. Shut up. Like,
I'm sorry.
oh my.
Yeah.
Alright.
It's hard not
got
to
the
laugh.
ox.
You can play something?
Yes, I'm gonna play something.
Bro, this is pretty in your feels, bro.
Bro, shut up.
Can you skip it?
It's kind of slow.
God, fine.
Bro, this one is about killing yourself. I don't want to listen to that.
Alright. I'll switch it to something good, bro.
Torch it, man.
Bro! This is not sad.
We want an upbeat song.
This is upbeat. Oh my, bro. Fine. This one's upbeat.
Bro, a banger, bro!
This one's banger.
This is not a banger.
This beat is so slow.
Bro, skip
What do you
it.
mean?
Skip
It's a
it.
banger. Bro,
Can I get the ox, bro?
yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, man.
There we go. Favorite song right now.
Is it chillin'?
My mama for all of this rap shit. Ay, no, I can never with that shit. Ay, no, I can never
Wait for that.
Who you know?
Drop the album back to back again.
Back again, and snap again, and goddamn it, I ain't know what the way you run again. Some niggas I've been living in a world of my own. Leave me alone. Each one, yeah, I'm trying to reach one. Who the beast one? That be me on the top of the east one. Tell me how you really wanna do it right now. To the
Yo, what are you doing, bro? What are you doing? Bro, don't do that in the bro, don't do that. Bro, don't do that in the car. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh my. Yo, what? What are they doing?
Okay, baby girl. Alright, baby girl, we're gonna go for a ride today. You got any songs to play?
Nah, man. Let's just let the gay guy choose the songs, man.
Yeah, get pick a song.
Man, it better be a good one.
It's gonna be good.
Okay.
Here, let me have the aux cord.
Oh. You have the phone right there.
Take the phone, you dumb
Oh,
hoe.
take the phone. Bro, he doesn't know how to do stuff.
Oh, box.
It's my favorite.
The box. This is a banger,
I
baby
love
girl.
this song.
Ooh. Yeah.
This sounds a bit off.
Bro, walk the road! Dingus.
Pulling out the dick at the lot. Told him set the dick, set the cock. Busting all my balls in his box. He didn't say the lick on my cock.
There you go. Let's say the real version, right?
Bro.
Pull out the whole damn dick. I'ma get fucked.
My
Like
dad.
when I use lube on my butt.
Oh, hell no! You gay as hell! Gay! You gay! You gay! Where's the
Bro, I'ma beat your.
This song is so good. No, I love this song.
You gay! Get out!
Yo,
Yo, I just caught a body. Let's go. Yo, go. Go.
Stuck in the club, we got a lot of weapons, yeah. Bitch, I know that I'm the shit, I'm unapologetic. My step is marching like
Speed up, bro. The ops are on us, bro. The ops are on us, bro. Bro. Oh my god, shit. Bro.
You guys want to catch some more bodies?
Yeah.
alright, let's go into this neighborhood.
Oh, spin the block,
Alright, come on.
Blicky the blicky. Gang.
I'm gonna play some music.
Alright, bet.
Alright.
Yo, wait. If it's that dubstep garbage again, bro.
Bro,
Nah, it's not.
I'm gonna kick you out your own car. That's how down bad you are.
Alright, there we go.
Bro, what is my god?
Fire!
Bro. Whoa. What it do? Like something that you do. You know I'm dripping, baby. I'm dripping too. You know you love me, baby. And I love you too. You know you love me, baby. And I love you too. I know you love me, baby. And I love you too. Pull up in the cool.
I might pull up in the Benz, might pull up in the cool. I know that you love me, baby, and I love you too. I know that you love me, baby, and I love you too. And all that sauce up on your body, you be dripping all the time.
What they do? Let me love you too. You know I'm dripping, baby. I'm dripping too. I know you love me, baby, and I love you too.